Hey folks, good day to you. VM Explorer here with your VMware Daily Tip number 26. And this is Tools Week. We're kind of wrapping it up here and we want to talk a little bit about Windows Secure Copy, also known as WinSCP. If you haven't used this program before, you might want to start looking at it and start off with going to their website and downloading it. So WinSCP, of course, is a Windows tool that you can use to do a secure file copy to different targets. Now the target depends on what you're trying to get access to. In this case, it could be an FTP server, secure FTP, secure file copy, Amazon S3, etc. It supports a lot of different things. What VI admins or virtualization admins use this tool to do is to actually copy data or a file to their host pretty quickly. Now there's other ways to do this, but if you're from a Windows background or you're working in a Windows machine, it seems to be really easy just to go into WinSCP and copy it. So let's take a look at that a little bit. But before we do that, you might want to take a look at their introduction page if you're interested in more information around WinSCP and how to use it and what they do and its features. That's all here. Their website has been pretty organized, and this has been a pretty much standard tool that folks have used for quite a long time. So let's get into it. So I'm going to go ahead and open up WinSCP here, and here it comes. And the first thing it prompts me with is, hey, you've saved some different sites here, and do you want to connect? Well, absolutely. Or you can make a new site. You can choose your protocol. You can choose your host name, password, etc. There are some advanced features here if you'd like to get into that as well. You can save this up, but for now I just want to get into my server at 75.101 and say login. Away it goes, and we are connected. It is as easy as that. Now I have my PC on the left, and I have my my ESXi host on the left. And my goal today is just to get a file to it. So I mean, it's just as easy as, hey, that's the file I want. I'm going to drag it over here and drop it. A few more options, click OK, and now it's on that host. And this actually is an ESXi host, right? There's the temp folder, there's the file. So let's validate it's there. I've already brought up PuTTY and made a connection into the temp folder, and when I do a simple ls, or what folks in Windows know as a directory command, all right, you can see it's right there, mcp png. The file is there. So WinSCP, great tool for copying files to your ESXi hosts or other targets, right? I'm sure you can be creative and come up with other targets such as devices, appliances, different cloud targets, etc. It makes it super easy, browser-based style or folder-based style connectivity. Copy left, right. Tons of features and options, synchronization options, all types of things you could do with WinSCP. Once again, just want to bring this tool to your awareness. As a VI admin, you might want to look at this and add this one to your toolkit. So folks, I do hope you enjoyed this quick tip around WinSCP, and I hope it works out for you. Please leave those comments down below. I always appreciate them. Hit subscribe, and don't forget to look in for the description for other links. Thanks. Have a great day.